Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Alora, and today I am going to be doing a full moon energy reading for you guys. I hope you all are doing well. So you can connect with the cards as usual while I'm shuffling, and you can fast forward. So for the viewers of Alora, I want to know what is the energy that the full moon is bringing, and the viewers of Aurora, you're very in rush right now to get answers, to get clarity regarding something is also coming very fast in your life. You have been waiting for this opportunity, and it will transpire very quickly in life. You might also be making a decision to walk away from something, not necessarily a person or a place. You may be making a decision to walk away from a situation that was keeping you stuck and not letting you decide about your 10 of pentacles in life. Whatever it is it that you're walking towards, it is going to be happening in the divine alignment. The divine is channeling it, and you are suddenly going to make that decision. Yes, like I told you, it will suddenly happen. Suddenly something is happening, and I also see someone in your life who is very dominating, a masculine perhaps, a male gender perhaps, or any masculine energy, even a female who has a very dominating masculine energy. So, someone is very dominating in your life, and things were taking toll in your life, and someone is suddenly realizing that they don't want this domination in their lives anymore regarding situations of marriage, I'm hearing, or like proposals or career or decision or any skill, anything, any project that you're working on. You're not being allowed to make the decision for yourself, and suddenly some of you here will decide that you don't want this interference anymore, that it's your life. You want to talk to that person, you want that offer, you want to go to that place, you want to make that situation work, and you are going to make the call. The universe is in your favor right now. Things will suddenly start working in your favor. I see, you have cried a lot about the situation in the past, as in not just in teary eyed crying, just you have been a lot anxious in the past regarding this situation. And suddenly, it's like I'm feeling the universe, because you have also questioned the universe too much about the timing when this will happen, about the timeline, and all of the other things. So suddenly universe is making it do for you, even if the timing was not right now. The way you have questioned and begged the universe to make it happen, the universe is telling you, fine, I will do it. But I'm also hearing this thing that the universe is also saying that, but the consequences you will have to bear. If it may be too soon, maybe you are, like you are in your healing journey, and maybe you're not ready to grasp every situation of it, just like it happens when you join a new place, a new job. You need some time for training, and you're kept on probation, right? You cannot rush on any process. And this is what I'm getting. As far, I'm this is a very strange reading. This may be very specific reading also, because it's a very specific messages that I'm getting. Or let me know down howsoever it is in the comments below, so that I also get to know with whom it resonated as such. And yes, it's like, like you will be making that decision, you will be doing that thing, joining that venture. It's not that it's not thought after, but there was someone who was stopping you from doing this. I also sense, this may be energy of another person itself. Like you're watching this reading, but this is the energy of the other person who is not in your life right now, not in contact with you. But the point is that you are wondering about this person, and this person will break some jurisdiction of a dominating authority in their household, or in their workplace, or whatever, that was not letting this happen. And before the start of the reading, I also got the word transpire. So something was not, somehow not helping your situation be unfolded properly. It was not transpiring, and there was so now the situation will happen. Now this person has made a decision that no matter what, I'll go and make a try. Like I'm just going to do it no matter the consequences that may unfold. So that's why, I also feel that somebody else might be in rush. So again, there are two energies, just like the last day's love reading that I did. So this person may be also in rush. For some of you, you may be this person, and you may be in this situation. So take as it resonates, because I see that you were quite disheartened, or this person, yeah, like, see, I told disheartened, right? Very heartbroken, very saddened by this whole situation, because somehow this person, or you, for this person, your equation, you fulfill each other, you satisfy each other, pacify each other, and your heart center, it's like you have been very heartbroken and wounded because of the situation, and it's like you want to now end the situation, and you want to heal your heart, and you want to walk away from the situation that was always making you look back. And if this is the other energy, like if this is someone that but if this is that other person energy, for some of the people watching the reading, so I'm getting that this person has faced it enough, and now they want to walk away from this sadness and just make a new start, do something, and just walk away from this past situation. Something fresh, something not very major, but something fresh might unfold this new moon for you. Again, guys, take it as it resonates, because there are two energies I'm sensing here. Some of you, your letter name might start from A, and you might be wearing a yellow colored blouse or yellow color shirt right now. Yellow may be very significant. I see your confidence definitely has broken because of this situation, and you have it's like you're skillful, but somehow you always get disconnected, distracted. You're not able to work, as the card is always on time. You're not able to focus on your work. It's like you're always thinking about the situation, always wondering what will happen, what is going on in the background, always codependent on this decision of this one person, and always living in a fearful state. But I see that you will choose freedom, and you are choosing freedom. You are choosing freedom. 777 can be a significant sign, 88 also. And you are choosing significant freedom. You don't want to live in this energy where people are manipulating you, people are lying to you, and people are keeping you stuck and deciding about your heart center, deciding about who will stay in your life, who will leave your life, and most importantly, influencing you badly, trying to always play with your emotions, and always trying to defeat you. So what else is this full moon bringing for the viewers of Alora? Again, very stable offer. I also see this full moon is bringing health and grounding for people. You will feel emotionally stable by an offer that is coming towards you. You will feel healthy in your life, as well. You will feel you're able to control your emotions, you're able to control your rage. If you had rage issues in the past, if you felt chaotic, you will be able to balance your energy and connect more with the divine in this full moon cycle. It's like the divine is bringing you closer to them also. In a way, you will be able to deepen your bond with them. And I see lots of offers also coming your way in multiple areas of your life, not just and love or relationship, like career also. I see doors are opening for you. You will be given a chance where you can decide which side do you want to step in now. And I definitely see your heart, or your solar plexus getting healed, you embracing your inner child as well. And I also get, for viewers of Alora, for some of you definitely, that there were lots of commotion in a relationship that you're wondering about, so many meddlings. voices, opinions, so many people gossiping, discussing about it, so many parties in play, and suddenly all of these things will drop, and a new start is happening in your life, where things that were in the mind, in the unconscious and the subconscious, both of you and your person, or regarding the situation, will start coming to the surface, that will gain clarity, and you will feel blessed and innocent again. You will feel your inner child has started to heal again. But this full moon is definitely starting with a major tower for many of you guys, where you will feel your stability is shaken again, and because of some person, like I mentioned, for some of you, definitely a dominating authority or authoritative figure in your life. This person may be Leo as well. I'm strongly getting that, and fire sign is very predominant in the reading. So yes, you will feel agile, you will feel restless also. Something will shake you up, past will traumatize you again, kind of energies, where you will feel that there are no surface beneath your ground, beneath your feet, and you will want to get out of the situation, and this full moon will push you to do that. What is the guidance coming for the viewers of Allura? I'm also getting this strange message that don't let anybody's actions, because some people may rile you up, don't let them fall, don't let them allow you to fall to their level. Like, this is the exact message I'm getting. Don't stoop to their level. You are right now in your divine processed healing journey. You have learned a lot of lessons in the past. You have to maintain that lessons. You have to maintain your principles in life that you have learned. Don't let them dirty you. Like, someone might do something very cheap, that will not align with your journey, and you will feel very bad about it, and you would want to jump into it and raise a conflict or something like that. So the universe is telling, don't do that, and because also of the full moon, like in the coming 8 to 10 days, you might feel a little up and down emotionally, so don't try to do that. Even if somebody tries to rile you up or trigger you, any situation also, this could be, by the by, please don't take it as only a person. There are so many viewers, and just fit into your equation, because this is the dominating energy that I am getting, that will arrive by full moon. And yes, I'm also getting this message that someone is definitely in this full moon thinking about you and wondering about you, wanting to come forward to make an offer to you, an offer as small as just a communication, a text message, or as big as apologies and getting back together, reconciliation, or just making that offer of friendship, or just traveling together, having fun in life, just talking back, getting back on the old terms again. So many energies, and the guidance for the full moon is, again, see, we have the sun card. What better guidance for the full moon than the sun itself, right? So also I'm getting, keep doing your transformation. Your guidance is also to not indulge in any toxic habits that you have left outside your door, because of whatever you have went through in the past 2-3 years, because I have been doing reading since that time, and the energies have drastically shifted for the viewers. So you don't have to indulge into anything that you have left behind. You have to, because I was also getting this message here, like I told you, that somebody will try to again get you into that conflict, that same gossip, that same debate, discussion, which has no dead end, no solution. So the whole point is that you have to check your energy, you have to check consciously if you are right now in this timeline, and what is this person, the situation trying to bring out of you, and that you have to not do. You have to remember that you have transformed, and that you are sunshine, and that sunshine and sun and clarity and happiness and joy awaits your life. So this person, this situation is not allowed to disturb you anymore, and don't at all let your inner child be wounded and affected again. You have to not pay attention to this person, because this is a confirmation that yes, if this happens, that person, that situation is not worth you. You know, it's not worth it. It's not worth your higher energy, your healed energy, your authentic higher self energy. So you have to understand this thing. If that happens, don't blame yourself, don't feel guilty. And I'm saying this because I definitely feel it's coming for someone. So don't feel guilty, don't blame yourself, don't feel bad, because it's not your character, it's this person's character, it's the situations that demanding this. Take as it resonates again. It's not about you, don't take it personally, and remember that you are here for shining. So that's the energy, guys. Eyes always towards the light. Light must win. Light should always win. Just remember this, okay? Don't let any darkness, any kind of fogginess cloud your mind this full moon, and the cycles, the days that will pass by, because slowly all these changes will unravel, and we will see how it goes forward then. So I hope you like the reading. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, Alora. Thank you so much for sharing all the support towards the channel, and take care. Happy full moon, and I'll come again another day with another reading. Till then, take care and goodbye.